Okay. Today we're going to cover brainstorming for a persuasive prompt. Our prompt today is to write an essay stating your position on whether learning has a positive effect on a person's life. When brainstorming using these block methods, you have to be aware of what we're asking you to put in the essay. The G stands for your grabber. As you have read in the rubric, a 4 essay is truly interesting. You want to draw them in with a fact, an interesting fact, a quote, or lyric, or a question. Do you answer the question? No. The I stands for information. This step is not necessary. If you feel like you need to explain something, you can in one terse sentence. That's it. The T is the most vital sentence. It is your position. Is your position that learning has a positive effect or a negative effect? That is what you have to decide. Without this sentence being in this location, your score will not be a 4. Remember that. When you get to the body, split your paper in half so that you understand that this is 2 paragraphs. The first paragraph is your point. It supports the thesis. You must have a transition, such as more importantly or to begin with, then your claim. What is the positive effect? Is it the new opportunities that you received in your brainstorming and when you were deconstructing the prompt? If so, state that. The next sentence is your reason. You are answering why that claim is important. After that, you transition with, for example, for instance, into your evidence. Now, we all get stuck at evidence. I do not want you to be confused. A 4 essay has evidence that is very personal. It is what you call a testimony. Talk about someone in your life or a personal time in your life to where you experienced that claim, a new opportunity, for example. The second paragraph is just like the first, so there's no need to rewrite it. Claim, reason, evidence. Do not forget. When you get to your conclusion, the key sentence is the counter argument. We call this cheat code 111. That means I start the sentence with although. That transition lets the reader know that you're transitioning into the opposition with the positive. So after the counter argument, then you begin with now. That is your last transition. Transition into what is called the call to action. In your essay with an exclamation point stating that they need to go do something to support your thesis, your claim, your position. Now you may begin writing your essay.